Good afternoon, this is Tanya at PD Programming, and I'm going to show you a quick video on how to export data from CrashMagic to an Excel template. So there's three things you're going to need. One is your Excel template already set up. Two is a field listing that is set up to match your Excel template. And three is a new resource over on the administrative side for CrashMagic. So let me show you first the Excel template that I have created. And actually this was initially made and set up for someone who wants to do batch editing outside of CrashMagic. So he's exporting data to this template to do some batch editing and then re-importing the data. So this template has a list of titles, which is field names at the top of it. It's got some highlighting of fields that he doesn't want anybody to edit. And it also has some data validation. Now, data validation is just so that no one will enter a different value than what's already in the database. Now, if you're going to set up data validation, please keep in mind that you either have to list it, let me show you, you either have to list it in here as values 1, 2, 3, 4 under source, or you have to give it a named list inside Excel. And basically the named list is just naming the range from where your data is coming from. So keep that, save it, and remember where it's at because you're going to upload that data later. So back inside CrashMagic, I have an all data study for just a month's worth of data for my example, and I have a field list. Now this field list I already made with a particular name called Export for Editing Format A. And that's what's being shown here. And the fields basically match up with the template that was already created in Excel. So there's all the data. Now this field list name you want to remember, I'll bring it back up again, Export for Editing Format A, because you'll need that name when you go to the administrative side to set up. So there's our field list in CrashMagic, and we have an Excel template. So now on the administrative side, in order to set this up, go to your username. For me, it's PD Tanya M. And up here, we're going to create a new resource, and it's called Excel Document. Hit the plus button. And now I have a new resource. Here, you're going to upload your file from Excel that you made earlier. And you're going to give this the name of your field list that you made inside CrashMagic. So here you have your template that you've uploaded from Excel, and you're naming it the field list that you had inside CrashMagic. Now here on this side, you can tell it where to start writing the data. So in this case, my sheet name was called template, and we're going to start at column A and start at row 1. And that's the setup on the administrative side. So back on the analysis side, go to our study that we've already done, our all data study. Here's the export button, and you're selecting field list export for editing format A again, but this time you're going to export in the XLSX format, which is the 4th button over. So I'm going to click that. This will download an Excel spreadsheet to your machine. Open it up. And it's popped up over here. And there's all your data in the format from your template with your titles as well as data validation. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks. Bye.